Just before the meeting where I was going to speak, I went for a walk and just prayed to God. When I was out walking praying to God, this girl came out of a shop. And I saw her and said, "Hey, hello, sorry, can I talk to you?" And she had come in the bag, and I prayed for her. She got there, and something, left her. And she's like, whoa, and she got my card. And then she went home and she was like, whoa, and came home to her colleagues where a lot of young people, "Hey, I've just experienced here, I've just experienced that." But the people at the college, they're like, don't believe in anything, so they talk her away from it. And then she slowly forgot it, and the college burned down, and my car burned down. Then later she became sick. She got a vaccination and got very sick. And one day she was laying in her bed, and she saw somebody on TV praying for sick people. She went to their website, and then she saw a link from there to my website. When she came to my website, she saw my logo. And she remembered everything that happened 5 years ago. Whoa! Now I remember! And she contacted me, and now she's safe and changed and completely free.
Wow.
And this is what, when we go out, we soar through. We pray for people. And the people you pray for today, and we pray for others, they're never going to forget it. Maybe they're going to forget it, but anyway they're not, because when they see something later, they remember. Why? Because they experience something that's greater than themselves. And this is what people need. So